Jamaica, watch this.
Godliness related to poverty. But me nah stop the godliness. Youth, plenty of us don't hear what we want to hear just now. I think godliness related to poverty. What we call riches, it's the heights of evil. Just imagine one associate who I link with over the years have thousands of coconut upon ground. A rat out, thousands in can full 5 truck. And if me take 2, police will lock me up. I ask for 2 and still can't get it. Me realize that godliness go with poverty, but me not stop godly. Cause me no lack of strength, me no lack of vision, and me no lack of spirituality. So me still a go on godly, make the poor go on. I see plenty rich people unhappy. Not for quarter happy like me. Even though I'm up on the floor. Youth, do your maths. No stop godly doing. Alright, move. Now watch riches.